Hazrat Salim, a slave freed by Ibn Mutiyo, narrates that he heard Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu say, "When we had conquered Khaybar, we did not get gold and silver, but cows, camels, wealth, and gardens as booty. When we, along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, returned and reached a valley called Al-Qura, the Prophet's slave was also accompanying him, whose name was Mud'am, and who had been presented to the Prophet ﷺ by a man belonging to Banu Dibab. When he was unloading the litter of Allah's Apostle ﷺ, a blind arrow came and hit that slave. So the people said, "Happy martyrdom to him." So Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, "By him in whose possession my soul is." But the sheet which he had pinched on the day of Khaybar from the booty before the distribution of the booty will turn into fire and burn him. On hearing this from the Prophet ﷺ, a man brought the Prophet ﷺ one or two laces and submitted, "I took these." So Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, "These one or two laces would also turn into fire." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4234.